I love farming because I don't have to wear pantyhose or carry a briefcase.
Why do we like farming?
Oh.
Why do we love farming?
It's a good question because sometimes you think, why are we farming?
Yeah, farming is hard. It's so challenging.
We both grew up on farms and that was our intention so that our children could be brought up on the land. The simple things of having the space, having the fresh air, having the grass, having the bugs, having the soil getting dirty.
I'm a grazier, a beef breeder, and my husband and I were blessed with being able to buy some property and run a few head of cattle. I grew up on the Gold Coast, so very different to what I was used to, and just haven't looked back ever since.
Today everyone has come because we are learning from Accounting for Nature. Accounting for Nature is a not-for-profit organisation that helps you measure your natural capital and your natural assets.
Accounting for Nature provides a framework for how to measure environmental condition at any scale. It provides a way of doing it that's comparable and scientifically rigorous, meaning you can apply it anywhere in the world, really. The methods we provide are really, again, purpose-driven and purpose-specific. So we have methods suitable for more small-scale farmers that allows farmers to go out and measure condition across their own properties. We also provide methods for really big organisations who might need to use more technology, such as drones, to measure condition across broad areas. But there's a method to kind of suit every type of landholder out there.
We were blessed with finding information on regenerative agriculture, and I believe that all farmers should be looking at these types of disciplines and principles going forward because, it's really important to look after your land, because if you don't, you won't get the benefit out of it. Country needs management, and we have to look after our land and therefore look after our animals, and we've got to make sure as a farmer that we're doing the right thing by people that are buying our product.
One thing that I would say to any landholder going forward is really you need to start with a benchmark and start collecting data on your land now, because in the future you won't be able to get away with greenwashing. You'll need to have facts to back up your story.
I would encourage other breeders to look at Accounting for Nature, because one of the most exciting things I've found going forward is that the way we manage our land, we are going to be able to prove to the consumer that our animals are ethically raised on land.
Having something that's going to be worth leaving behind for your kids, that has more than just something on paper, something actually physical that is in better condition than you got it.